Good morning, children. Today we learn second chapter in grammar, subject and predicate. In the previous class, we learned about what a sentence is and the types of sentences. Now let's learn about the parts of a sentence. All sentences have two parts, subject and predicate. What is subject? A subject is a word, group of words, noun or pronoun that does the action in a sentence or whom the sentence is about. I repeat, a subject is a word, group of words, noun or pronoun that does the action in a sentence or whom the sentence is about. You can also say the doer of an action is called subject. A subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentence. The part of a sentence that talks about a noun is the subject. Then what is predicate? The other part of the sentence that tells about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. The predicate contains the verb. Let us see how to find out the subject in a sentence with the help of examples. It is very simple. Ask question who or what to the verb. The answer shall be the subject of the sentence. Look at these following examples. The children are enjoying in the park. Here, verbs are and enjoying. Who are enjoying in the park? The children. Here, the subject is the children. Are enjoying in the park is predicate. Then second one, the teacher taught us a new lesson. Here the verb is taught. Who taught us a new lesson? The teacher. So the teacher is the subject. Taught us a new lesson is the predicate of the sentence. Next one, lions roar in the forest. Which is the verb here? Roar. Who roar in the forest? Lions. So the lions are the subject. Roar in the forest is the predicate. Next one, the train was late by 2 hours. Which are the verbs here? Was and late. What was late by 2 hours? The train. So here the train is the subject. Was late by 2 hours is the predicate of the sentence. Now all of you open page number 6 in your grammar textbook and let's discuss the exercises A and B. Underline the subject and predicate and circle the verb. In this exercise, you have to do 3 things. First, you have to underline the subject, then circle the verb and underline the predicate. One example is already given. We ate aloo parathas for lunch. Here, who ate aloo parathas for lunch? We. So that is the subject. Subject usually come at the beginning of the sentence, and which is the action word ate. The rest of the sentence is known as predicate. And second one, the dog ran after the cat. Who ran after the cat? The dog. And which is the action word here? Ran. And the rest of the sentence is predicate. And when you underline the predicate, also include the verb also. Here the verb is ran. Third one, Bobby played with his friends. Who played with his friends? Bobby, that is subject. And here the verb is played. And predicate is played with his friends. Then fourth one, we ate bread and butter for breakfast. Who ate bread and butter for breakfast? We. So that is subject, and which is the main verb? Ate. Ate bread and butter for breakfast. So that is the predicate. Fifth one, father is painting the wall. Who is painting the wall? Father. That is subject, and the action word is painting. Is you have already learned that is, am, are helping verbs, and what the subject is doing? is painting the wall is the predicate. Sixth one, we build sandcastles on the beach. Who builds sandcastles on the beach? We. And which is the main verb? Build. And build sandcastles on the beach is predicate. Seventh one, the students watch the magic show. Who watched the magic show? The students. And the action word is watched. Watch the magic show, that is predicate. Then the last one, Riaz rode on his new bike. Who rode on his new bike? Riaz. And the action word is rode on his new bike, that is predicate. And next exercise, you have to identify the highlighted part by choosing the correct option, whether the highlighted word is subject or predicate or neither. You have to remember these things, that subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and predicate always contains a verb. In this exercise, in some sentences you can see that the highlighted word neither a subject nor a predicate. For example, the puppy chased its tail. So here the highlighted word its is pronoun, but it does not come in the place of subject. Its answer is neither. Similarly, fourth one, my brother wrote a letter. Here the highlighted word is letter. It is neither a subject nor a predicate. The another sentence is she enjoys going to the cinema. Here the highlighted word is neither a subject nor a predicate. So hope you have understood these exercises. All of you do your exercises carefully and complete your work neatly and clearly. Thank you.